back, everyone. This is WTI video. And what do we have here this morning? The time is 5:35 a.m. in the morning, so it's quite very early. And forgive that drawing, that's what I was bringing from Gold Video. So, excuse me for that. Now, what do we have here this morning? As you can see, WTI closed me out yesterday. I think on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. And you see what happened yesterday? The market went, it was actually a rush because I was watching it quite closely. It was a rush back to the upside just to retest this resistance area. I mean, what could be pursuing oil to that level of running to the upside down? You have to just close me out for it. Doesn't make any sense, but it is what it is. Okay, so this range band here is still holding the price steady, and that's one of the things I said yesterday when I was analyzing WTI. I said we might see the market. Excuse me for that. I'm gonna do it again. I said we might see the market, okay, the price coming back to retest this resistance, and the range might just continue to go on and on and on and on. All right. And any which way, wherever it goes, we just have to be patient enough to see the break to the upside, pull back, and we take a buy trade. Okay. It's not just pullback that we're gonna wait for. We have to wait for the pullback. We have to make sure that this area of support, area of resistance is supporting the price from falling further to fall back into the range, and then we have to look for candlestick pattern around there to take a buy trade. Okay, and I said the other side is what we can wait for, what a break to the downside, the same thing as what as pullback, meaning that the area of support right here will be acting as resistance for the price, resisting it from moving upward, from breaking the roof to go straight back inside the range. And then if that happens, and if the market is resisted right there at this point, okay, what do? We wait for candlestick pattern and we take a short trade all the way down. Okay, but anything that happened right inside of this range, I don't want to hear it, I don't want to trade it, I don't even want to see it. But I said something on the flip side just to support my folks, my brothers and sisters that are day trader. Okay, they like to scalp, they like to take all the short time frame. I do it sometimes as well. I said you can look for a buy trade around here. I drew a circle yesterday, and just look for a buy trade from the support area. You look for buy, and then from the resistance right here, you can look for short trade. There are skills to it, all right? So you have to, there is a skill. You don't just sell because the market is currently at resistance, and you don't just buy because the market is at support and it's a range. There are skills to it. There are key points that you must wait for. There are some things that has to happen before you can take that short trade. Okay, but just for educational purposes only. Okay, now that the market is right here, anyone that bought here, I think the market was somewhere around here yesterday when I released the video. If you had gotten into a buy trade, then you should be taking your profit right now. It's very fortunate that the market actually got to retest the area of resistance very nicely. Sometimes range we just do like this. Okay, sometimes sometimes it will not even touch the bands, okay, successfully. It will just keep bouncing on and off, which is another reason why I don't like trading the range. Okay, so that said, if you want to take a short trade, wait for your entry. Okay, you can draw a pattern like this, wait for the break of that trend line, and you can take a short trade. But your target shouldn't exceed the support area, and if you're buying, your target should not exceed your the resistance area. That's how to play in a range band. Okay, so don't forget, it's for educational purposes only. That is all. Now moving forward, I'm still on the side of I'm waiting for the breakout. If I can see a breakout of this resistance and a pullback, this level right here is using the price, okay, or is keeping the price from falling further, it's supporting the price, then I will look for buy opportunity. And the same thing for the selling side as well. If the market is resisted after it is broken out, then I will look for a sell opportunity. Aside that, whatever happens at the range, I don't play in it. I don't care. I'm just gonna wait patiently until I see my setup and I'm gonna trade it. That is all for on WTI. If you want to scalp it, go ahead and scalp inside the range, but don't make sure you plan yourself very well and you manage your trade appropriately. Okay, don't overdo it and don't be scared as well. I'm gonna catch you later tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.